Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Run the coaster bot this evening after the market opened. I turned it on. First trade was at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, so I turned it on. It must have been right before that, because this trade would have made money too at 7:18. So somewhere between here, I turned it on, left it. It is run untouched. We have 1 1 2 1 2 2 3 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 winners, and what was that, 3 losers. And we are over our 50% profit target. 4 contracts is $4,000, so we're looking for $2,000. This is about 75%. I have it paused, turn it off tonight, and this is 100% untouched. I never bothered it. I just let it run. It took the trades, and we are looking at from the first time turned on 1930, so we're looking at an hour and 5 minutes. The targets have been hit, and then we're all done and ready for bed tonight. So I'll turn this on tomorrow, see if we can get another 50% on it. But how do you get started with it? The way you do it, you go to SpyMoneyLLC.com. You go up here to the Ninja Suite tab. You click on that, and there is one thing you need to do here. You have to understand, read, and agree to these 14 items. If you do, then you left click it, highlight it, copy it, come up to the Contact Us, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, right click into the message, and send this to me. If you do that, then I'll send you a link to be able to join. We are running out of room, so if you plan on joining, you need to do it quickly, because once I shut the membership off, then it will be shut off. So you need to get signed up if you're going to do it. I'm not going to allow a lot of people into our group. I never do. So once we get to the number that I want, then I'm going to shut it off and you will not be able to join. So if you're interested, you need to do so now before the membership is closed. And a lot of people, like last December, they didn't think I'd do it. December 15th, I put a cutoff. I shut it off, and I never allowed any more in for about 6 months. So if you want to do this, now is your time to do it. We do offer, or not offer, but we recommend 4 funded accounts. You can choose any of these. There's some discount codes here. You really don't need these. All you need is, if you don't have a lot of money, you can do micros and trade micros, and it's actually a lot better. The end result, you'll make more money with micros than you will a funded account, because the funded account has so many rules. It's hard to keep the PA accounts and so forth and go from there. But if you have any questions, contact me right here. The Ninja Suite right there is how you join. Give you another look right here. And again, we are going to be shutting our membership off here pretty soon. So if you're interested, you need to act on it now. Once I shut it off, it will be gone until maybe not I open it later. But if you are interested, you need to do so now while you can. This coaster bot is a very, very good bot. It takes good trades, and I've not had a losing day yet with it. It's been very good. There are some rules you got to follow with it, but in this case, I never followed the rules. I just let it trade, and these right in here would not have even traded if I had been following the rules on it. But to be honest with you, I wasn't even watching this. I was in another room, and I come back just to check on it, hit this goal, and I shut it off. Let me know if you're interested. We'll get you signed up. If you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can usually get this thing loaded and up and running in about an hour, based on what some other people have done, depending on the person, of course. No guarantees that you'll make money, but every day I've made money with it. There's a lot of people posting profits in the Discord and send me messages outside of Discord to let me know how they're doing. So it is a good bot, it does a good job, and it is daily money for me. So let's see if it will be daily money for you. Have a great night.